Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. This video we have a 2017 Ford Police Interceptor Utility 3.7 that is ready to be sold. The vehicle has about 101,500 miles and some change, and obviously it's a clean title, guys. I decided to do a metallic gray on this one. This one is an absolute gorgeous Interceptor. Guys, this is like I do these once in a while, and decided to do one on an Explorer. Usually I do it on a Crown Vic, but this is my end product, guys. I hope you like it. For me, I love it, right? Because this is the end product for us that we like to, put out there. And remember, guys, I'm very confident that you're not going to see an Interceptor as good as and clean as mine out there, and priced very reasonable as our pricing. Okay, so all right guys, 2017 Ford Police Interceptor Utility, clean title, ready to be sold. All right guys, here we go. We'll start out with the spotlights. So we have full LED spotlights, obviously fully functional. If they're not functional, then we will obviously let you know, but all of them, mine will be functional. That's just, you're gonna get them functional, bottom line. Brand new Weston push bar. Okay, brand spanking new. Most of my cars, actually no, all of my cars get brand new. Okay, push bumpers. This is on the Firestone Firehawks. Okay, same good. It's a Firehawk, and it's I believe it's a, let me get the size, tire size. Can't even read this morning. Well, 245 55 18. So all the way around on the Firestone Firehawks. Okay, so it's the paint got a metallic. It's got a beautiful metallic on it. Okay, so the sun makes that metallic pop. Okay, all right, so let's go to the back and let's keep looking at this. Okay, so we got two antennas at the top. Okay, right there. They are display only, guys. Okay, you do have the fin. That is your antenna. Check it out, check it out. We left the Police Interceptor badge there. Okay, remember guys, this is an all-wheel drive 3.7, so regular 87 fuel, it's what's required. Okay, so nighttime this car's gonna look black, right? Or yeah, it's gonna look black, but daytime is where you're really gonna see the actual like just the beauty in the color, right? Just jump out. I know Ford makes this color, but they do it without the metallic, I believe. But I do something very special to my cars, and look at this beautiful metallic on it, right? I'll show you again. Look at that. Woo, that is amazing. All right, so now that we covered the outside, let's take a look at the inside. Okay, we got some nice heavy doors, and the front with the ballistics panel. Okay, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, power adjustable pedals. Okay, spotlights. Okay, everything is fully functional. AC super cold. Okay, check it out. Seats are in really good condition. You have a dome light and speaker covers on top. Okay, dome light is brand new. You have white and red. Okay, let's go here and show you the radio. Okay, there you go. So you have your 12-volt accessory connectors there. All right, you have your trunk release button. You hit that button, and that will give you about 45 seconds on the timer to open up the back. If not, it will lock. All right, this was unit 48. All right, well, since I'm already here, let's show you the odometer since we're already here. $101,547. 101,547. Okay. All right. Let's go to the back. All right. Let's zoom out for a minute. Okay, perfect. All right, so panel, obviously your windows and windows, doors, handles will open the vehicle from the inside out. Okay. Real good condition on your rear seats. Check out the back. Nice. Beautiful. All right, let's take a walk to the back. Let me open this up real quick. 1 second, guys. All right, here is your rear trunk area. Perfect. All right, let's go to the, so this is regular 87. Give you a nice picture or video of the door here. Check it out, check it out. Perfect. All right. Passenger door, nice and heavy. Whew. Perfect. All right. Passenger door. Ballistics panel on it. Awesome. So there you have it, guys. 2017 Ford Police Interceptor, now ready to be sold. Have any questions, please give me a call. 909-457-5500. You can visit our webpage at cainterceptors.com. That's cainterceptors.com for full pictures of the vehicle. We'll list this vehicle tonight. And but yeah, guys, you know, if you're real serious about any of these cars, please, guys, don't text me, don't email me. Pick up the phone, guys. Call me. We make it happen. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Consider hitting the like button. Consider subscribing for more cool Interceptor videos. All right, guys. Have a good one. Bye.